Hello, my friends. It's back. It's back. It's back. I am so excited. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this triple playful card. It's a flip it. I love it. Stay tuned because I'm going to talk about it in a little bit. But first, we have some other products that we are releasing. And you know what? When we release on the 25th of the month, that usually means it's an item that I took on HSN, or it was in a kit at one time, or I did it with the other company. It's something that you possibly might have seen before from us, but chances are you might not have it. So now's your chance to get it. The first one I want to share with you is the square stand-up that I made. And let me just tell you, this was one of the popular ones that I released with the other company. We're finally bringing it to our website. And if you're new to stand-ups, the square is a perfect place to start because it's so versatile. And I have a lot of samples to share with you, so stay tuned. We are also releasing that triple playful flip it. Now this one is really fun. It's one of those ones that I designed that I just literally fell in love with, and it just has so much versatility. Now we're also releasing 3 stencils. Stencils are a little different on our website. Once they are gone forever. So if you like these stencils, you must get them now because again, we do not reorder stencils once they're sold out. This one has brick, it's a brick pattern, and it has grass at the top. This one is what we called the Critter Print Stencil. It was from our Critter class. So much fun. And this one was also from our Critter class, the Palm Leaf Stencil. So if you didn't get our Critter class, now is your chance to get the stencils that were included in there because you know what? Again, once they're gone for good. Okay, let's jump in and look at some fun samples. So this is the one I showed you, the triple flip it. Look at that, so cute. It's called Playful. Here's another cute one. Open it up. And on the back, it's even decorated, Happy Birthday. Here's another cute one. Over it, through it, pray over it, pray through it, and pray on it. Always prayer, fear ends when faith begins. Always, every day, and it works. Pray, it always works. Isn't that awesome? So beautiful, so uplifting too. Here's a cute one with our little snails on it. Snail mail, snail mail. So cute. Interactive cards always wow everybody you give them to because they always just go, whoa, how'd you do that? How'd you do that? How'd you do that? And you're like, oh, it took me 6 hours, but you're totally worth it. And little do they know, it took you minutes or seconds even, right? Now let's look at the squares. The squares are so fun. You can pop that up. Look at that. Happy birthday. Here's a cute one. Ooh, this one's a little different. Ooh, this is fun. Look at this. It opens different. Happy birthday. Look at that. Happy birthday. Oh, here's another one. Happy birthday opens a little different. And look, you could even do it like that. Look how fun that is. That's a little different. I like it. I like it. A little different. Now, I designed it to do this, but I love when my design team does a little bit different. Now, this comes with the belly button notch in the center here. So there's this little belly button notch when you die cut it. You're just gonna lift that up a little bit and look at that, boom, stand up. Now, I have a little story about stand-ups I'm gonna tell you really quick. Stand-ups are perfect for the person, like they're perfect for get well cards because you can display them. They're perfect for putting on somebody's desk, things like that. But I always call them the friend test card. What do I mean? Well, you're gonna give a stand-up to a friend. Anybody you want. Give it to them for their birthday or whatever. And about 10 days later, a week later, go to their house. Now, if they have it displayed on their mantle or on a shelf or on their kitchen counter, yeah, they get to continue getting handmade cards from you. But if they don't have it on display anywhere where you can see, you need to start going to the dollar store and giving them those cards because you know what? If they're not keeping them, something's wrong. But look how cute that is. Happy birthday, and it comes with that fun happy birthday. Here's another one, happy birthday. Don't you love it? It even comes with this bottom happy birthday. So, club members, you're getting the discount on these. Make sure you check your stash to make sure you don't already have these because these are pretty amazing ones. But you know what? If you don't, now's the chance to get them. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.